Kaya naman panalo ka 10,000 pisong pera at digital camera! 936-2551 iyong tatawagan. Si Daki Dakanay, hanapin mo lamang. Nagbabalik ang pinakamalawak na local fan show on television, ang Talentadong Pinoy. Nakasanayan na po nating mag-celebrate ng karawan ng ating mga minamahal na talent scouts dito sa Talentadong Pinoy. And tonight is no different. Nagsimula siya bilang teen star na medyo bulol pa sa Tagalog. Ngunit sa kanyang pagpupursige, nahanap din niya ang kanyang lugar sa showbiz. At yan ay sa pagsasayaw at pag-host. So we want to greet a very happy birthday to our one and only dance diva, Regine Tolentino.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Reg, may we invite you to join us here on stage, please?
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Regine. Okay, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, maliban sa pagiging dancer, host, and actress, si Regine po ay isang successful fashion designer. Sa katunayan, marami sa mga sinusuot ng ating mga talentado ay pawang mga disenyo niya. Kaya palakpakan po natin, Regine Tolentino. We also have a little gift for you mula sa iyong Talentadong Pinoy family.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so let me take the flowers and please open your gift. I'll take the mic na rin.
It's my birthday. 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 It's my birthday.
You know what? That's my new passion. I guess you could say my new talent that I'm trying to develop. I love to paint, so thank you. This is so thoughtful because I really love painting in my free time. Ito yung parang you know, my relaxation, my stress reliever. So thank you for this very thoughtful gift.
And syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang birthday celebration.
Alright, thank you.
Make a wish, Regine, and please blow the candle on your
Thank
cake.
you so much.
Happy birthday! Thank you very much, Regine. Here are your flowers, and please enjoy your gift. You may now take your seat. Palakpakan po natin, Miss Regine Tolentino, our birthday girl. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, tawagin na natin ulit ang ating mga talentadong naglalaban ngayong gabi. Talentados, please join me here on stage. Okay, guys, thank you very much for putting up such a funny and entertaining show tonight. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagbabalik. We are very happy to see you again. Pero ito na ang panahon para magkaalaman kung sino sa inyo ang mag-uwi ng 50,000. Final scores are in. The jury may please have the final results. Our jury for tonight is composed of a psychology professor, a photo retoucher, a freelance model, a call center supervisor, an outlet manager, an assistant programmer, a research and development assistant, and the chairperson of our jury tonight is the program head of the English department of the Far Eastern University, Mr. Roger Vinculado. Magandang gabi, Chairman. Meron na po bang desisyon ng ating jury?
Yes, we have.
May I have it, please? Thank you, Chairman. Okay, talentados. Muli kayong nabigyan ng pagkakataon na magpamalas ng galing sa ating entablado. At isa lang ang pwedeng manalo, pero ang tinitiyak ko, lahat kayo nakapagbigay aliw at saya sa ating mga manonood dito sa Skydome. Kaya palakpakan po natin ulit sila. 50,000 pesos for the winner tonight. And our one-night-only makeover Talentado Special Edition. At ang talentadong nakakuha ng pinakamataas na puntos mula sa Scouts at Jury ay walang iba kundi congratulations! You win 50,000 pesos! Tony! Dating mga talentados, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ikaw ang nagpaging ngayong gabi at ito ang 50,000 pesos. Thank you very much. Bukas, isa ulit comeback episode ang aming hatid sa inyo at ang mananalo ay mag-uumpisa ng kanyang lakbay patungong Hall of Fame. Ako po si Ryan Agoncillo at ito ang pinakamalawak at pinakamalaking talent show on Philippine Television.